Hi, I'm Sokhom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to MacOS Sierra in 5 minutes, following a few simple steps. First, you need to look at your computer models and years listed in here that you can upgrade, and also they always ask that you can upgrade to Sierra starting from 10.7 all the way up to 10.11. So I suggest that if you plan to do the upgrade, you update the current OS Act to the latest versions. So another thing that before you try to upgrade, you need to make some plan. First, think about the application that you're going to be using. So if the old application is too old, it won't run on OS Sierra. Next step you need to do is actually make sure you back up your data before you do that. And the third step is probably the best way to do is to clone the entire drive uh, to an external hard drive or something like that, just in case you need to revert back or you don't like, or maybe something that you don't really like on Sierra. So to do that, you can watch my video clip, how to clone Mac OS X EL Capitan. Pretty much the same anyway. So to get started, let's say assume that you want to upgrade right now. So what you need to do, you turn on your computer right now, you start turning on your computer, and you're gonna log into your existing OS X. Okay. So assume that you're already up, back up and everything, and decided that you're gonna go on upgrading. Okay, you log into. In this case, I'm running EL Capitan, which is 10.11. So you click on Apple Store here. Okay, you're kind of like a Sierra doesn't show up in the purchase. Okay, you have to do a search. It's no longer using Apple ID as of this recording, so you don't need Apple ID to log in. So you simply click on downloading. So you don't need Apple ID to do that. So it's not listed and purchase anymore. Who knows, it may change, but as of this recording, you don't need to sign into Apple uh, ID and do it. Click on Launchpad. It begins downloading, so it depends on your speed. It may take quite a bit of time. So I'm going to pause video. Now this is done actually. So this is how it's done downloading. It's going to click on the starter. So click on continue. Let's switch back to the Launchpad. If you look in here, this is where it's download showing up. So I'm going to go back and click on back to get started. Okay. So click on agree to start and okay, and click on agree and install. It's very simple. Okay, click on install. So the system enter your credential. So the system's gonna go into a reboot. Okay, but the process is it depends on your speed. So the download it takes up so much time of it. But this process takes only 5 minutes. Okay, to show you how to do it. It doesn't mean the actual installation is 5 minutes. Okay, now it's going to reboot. In here, it depends on and this last screen is actually doing the installation. So it depends on the speed of your computer. It may take between 20 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, now it's rebooted. I'm logging into installations, get me started download. So this is process of, so it asks you if you want to sign your Apple ID. So in this case, I'm not signing yet. So you can do it later. If you want to do it now, you have Apple ID, you can do it now. Otherwise, just click on don't sign. That's fine. You click on continue. This is the setup, start logging on. Okay. Again, this is, you can skip the Apple ID if you don't want to log in. To log into the Apple ID, that is just fine. You can always log in later. Okay. Click on continue. Okay, and here by default it asks you to enable Siri. So Siri is actually it used to be on an Apple iPhone. Now it's enabled in the Mac. You can use that for voice command, something like the basic voice command. Click on Launchpad again. You see after complete installation, it's automatically deleted itself. Okay, so it doesn't take up so much space in here. Okay, so the upgrade has completed. So let's see. Go to Apple, like on about, see if it is running Sierra. Here it is 10.5.2 as of this downloading as this installation. Okay, so that completes the upgrade. So hope this video helped you in a short, simple steps. And thank you very much for watching. And um, as I described, 5 minutes timing. Again, hope that video helped you in a short time.